Welcome to the Saybrook University Online Library. I'm Laurelette Knowles, the Director of Library Services for the University, introducing you to the writing and citing portion of the library's resources. Begin on the Welcome page and click Student Gateway. Next, click Go to the Library. And now, click Writing and Citing. In this portion of the library, you can find Saybrook's Handbook of Format and Style for Dissertations, Theses, and Projects. This is the 4th edition of this manual, and it is currently under revision. The new 5th edition should be available soon, but until it is, use this 4th edition, and when its rules conflict with those in the American Psychological Association Publication Manual, 6th edition, this Saybrook Handbook's rules take precedence. Scroll through the list of contents to see what the handbook covers, and read the introduction to understand the purpose of the handbook. Here you'll find the American Psychological Association Style Guide to Electronic References, 6th edition, 2012. This style guide provides rules and examples for citing all online resources. It is searchable, and you can download and print a copy for your own use. You can search by clicking on a particular item in the table of contents and see examples and comments about citing particular formats of materials. You can also do a keyword search. In this case, I'm searching for dissertations. When you do this, you will be taken to the portions of the style guide that have to do with your key term, in this case, dissertations. Become familiar with the rules and examples in this handbook, because you will need to know how to format papers and to cite materials in APA style in order to do academic work at Saybrook. APA style is very detailed, and often the rules seem contradictory and irrational. But this is the language of your discipline as a social scientist, and knowing it and using it well will give you both credibility as a scholar in your field and excellent brain exercise as you learn to pay attention to detail in a very focused way. The APA style tutorial that you can find here will be very helpful to you in going through the basics of APA style. The APA style blog will provide introductions to APA rules and answers to tricky, detailed formatting questions. If you don't find an answer to your questions about formatting particular forms of materials, you can search the blog to see if there are already answers to your questions, or you can submit a new question. The Harvard Graduate School of Education's tutorial, APA Exposed, Everything You Always Wanted to Know About APA Format but Were Afraid to Ask, is an excellent tutorial which I highly recommend. The Purdue University Online Writing Lab, known as OWL, is an excellent site as well. You can find guidelines and examples of citing different kinds of materials in your APA reference list. Never trust automatic citation generators, such as those that are often provided with databases, to produce fully APA-compliant citations. Always check citation formatting using the rules and examples in the 6th edition, second printing of the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association and the Style Guide to Electronic References. If you have questions, please email them to library@saybrook.edu. That's library@saybrook.edu.